Hey YouTube, it's SJ and today we're unboxing the women's Air Jordan Rebel XX in the OG colorway. Let's get to it. Hey YouTube, I'm back and today we are unboxing, it is already unboxed but it's still in a box, the women's Air Jordan Rebel XX in the OG colorway. Let's open this bad boy up, but before we do, take a look at this lovely box. Swing this around to sneaker cam. Really nice touch. This is a nice white sort of glossy box. You've got the gold Jumpman there, and you've also got, I'll spin this around, sneaker cam, can you see this? You got the number 23 on the box. And you've also got the Jumpman around here as well. But you don't want to see a box, you want to see the shoes. But before we do that, for all you code geeks out there, these are women's Air Jordan 1 Rebel XX OG, oh yeah. Women's 8.5 US, UK 6, Brazilian 38, European 40, CM 25.5. They are white, black, university red. And the code is AT4151-100. There you go. Let's open these up. So, why are they not boxed to start off with? Well, I bought these in a shop. Ta-da! I got these from Kith when I was in LA. Kith on Sunset, just underneath Fred Siegel. Amazing store. Could have spent a lot of money in there. And oh my word, these are as nice as I remember. Now, I'm going to let you into a tiny secret. We actually filmed this unboxing earlier, but sneaker cam, you naughty sneaker cam, did not save the footage. So I'd already done it on feet, so these may look a little bit dirty. So we're having to refilm this again. There you go, quick secret. One thing I want to show you is the paper, golden 23s all over it. Nice touch, Nike, nice touch. But you're not interested in box, you're not interested in paper. Let's have a look. So these launched on the 19th of May this year. Now I think these were a US only release. I may be wrong on that, but I'm pretty certain, I'm like 99% certain these did not drop in the UK. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. But these are a women's release. So earlier on in the year, Jordan released 10 shoes, the Jordan Reimagined. You know, not all of them were to my taste. One of them was the Rebel, which is this silhouette, but they were in solid colours, not in this particular colourway. But as I said, these dropped 19th of May. They came in the OG colourway, the Chicago, the Royal, and also the black toe. They had the black toe in Kith as well. I really kind of wish I picked up both. But, you know, if you're going to get a pair of these, it had to be in the Chicago OG colourway. Oh, yeah. Let's have a look at the detail. Now, these, as I said, women's only release in women's sizes. They did go up to like a women's 12, I think. So I know some of you guys with slightly smaller feet did manage to pick these up. Let me bring these into sneaker camp so that you can feast your eyes. So it's very much a Jordan 1 silhouette, as you can see. But they've changed this front bit. So instead of having the laces going slap bang up the middle as you normally would, they've twisted them so that they go round to the ankle on the outside. And it's just a really nice touch. You know, it's quite a simple thing and it's not taking away too much from the traditional Jordan 1 shoe. So you've got the swoosh here. Now if I flip it round, you will see you've got the Nike Air on the inside instead of a swoosh on the inside. You get into these with this concealed zipper. Really, really nice shoe. Now the laces on these, now you couldn't lace them if you wanted to. They're just there for show. I don't think you could. You'd struggle to anyway. But they are, and we've called this out on some of Mr. B's Jordans recently, these are the flat black waxed laces, which just adds a really nice touch to the Jordans, I think. Now the leather on these is really, really soft. Dare I say, in the words of Mr. B, premium leather. I mean, it is super nice, and you can see Mr. B can zoom into the toe box there. Where I did do some on foot in these, they have creased ever so slightly and they are super nice. So instead of having the Air Jordan, instead of having it outside here, because of the way that you've got that twist going up, and that's the real feature of the shoe, you've got the Air Jordan wings towards the back, slightly off centre though. So it's just a super nice shoe. As I said, it hasn't taken away too much. There you go, red sole, ever so slightly red sole. Hasn't taken away too much from the traditional silhouette, but done just enough to make these a really, really interesting and super striking on foot sneaker as well. Today was the first time I'd actually worn these since I tried them on in store way over a month ago now. It's been so hot here in the UK, I haven't felt that I've been able to wear Jordans, but I can't wait to get these on because they do look so cool, so cool, and I love the fact that no one else is really going to have them here. Camera number 2, I'm not really giving you much love today. Look, just look at that silhouette. Now there's nothing that interesting on the inside. I'm just going to pull this out. It just has a black inner sole with a red Jumpman, that is it. Tongue itself is like a white nylon, and you've just got Nike Air on the tongue tab. Then you've got the label inside that has all of your sizing, and that's stitched in, and it's stitched just off to one side as well. So it's just sort of following the whole twistiness of this sneaker. Now, I said that this particular style didn't release in the UK. Now the Rebel XX is out in the UK, and they've got some really weird colours, like there's a sage green that I've seen at the moment, which for me just, I don't know, it's just a bit of a meh shoe. Whereas this, dare I say it, it's a strong shoe. Do you agree, Mr. B on Sneaker Can? Strong shoe. Oh yeah, it's getting a big old strong thumbs up. So there you go. I mean, there really isn't much else to say other than this is epic. It really is, and I'm glad I got them in the OG colorway. As I said, probably should have got the black toe as well, but as I said, I could have spent a small fortune in Kith. That shop is dangerous. So what do we think, guys? Super nice pickup, worth the money. These are $145 plus tax, so about 160 all in. I mean, they are super nice, classic OG shoes, which you just gotta have, really. Any of you guys pick these up? I know a couple of my followers on Twitter did over in the US. I know some of you guys in the US that I follow on Twitter. You seem to be picking up a lot, you lucky people. But let us know what you think of these in the comments. Give us the old thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to hit the old subscribe button. And thank you so much to everybody that subscribed recently. We're on our way to my little target of 1,000 subs, which is kind of cool and crazy. So thank you for that. And don't forget to join us on Sundays. So Sundays is Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we talk about what we've worn on our feet, what we've bought, what we've seen in the news. Come along and join in the chat. That's at 8 PM British summertime, 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. And we're also uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So keep an eye out for those videos. And if you don't want to miss Pint of Stuff video, hit the old notification button as well. So that's it from me. As I said, let us know what you think. Over and out. We'll see you on the next upload. See ya! I love these. They're super nice.